In this lesson, we are going to learn quantum mechanics, also known as quantum physics or quantum theory. Suppose I give you 1 paisa per second for the next 1 hour. How much money will you have at the end of 1 hour? Simple calculation, right? 1 paisa per second. In 1 hour, how many seconds you got? 60 into 60, 3600 seconds. So you'll get 3600 paisa, and that is 36 rupees. Right? All of you agree with that? If I give you 1 paisa per second for 1 hour, you'll have 36 rupees at the end of 1 hour. Simple calculation, right? But suppose I give you 0.1 paisa per second for the next 1 hour. How much money will you have at the end of 1 hour? No, not 3.6 rupees. That is wrong. Why? Because I cannot give you 0.1 paisa per second. The smallest currency defined is 1 paisa. We don't have anything called 0.1 paisa, right? If you give me a check of 1 lakh rupees, I'll be very happy. If you give me a check of 1 lakh rupees, 10 paisa, I'll be equally happy. If you give me a check of 1 lakh rupees, 15 paisa, I'll be happy. But suppose you give me a check of 1 lakh rupees, 15.1 paisa or 15.2 paisa, I'll be unhappy because the bank will not give me anything. Right? A fraction of paisa is not defined. Currency is one thing that we can have in multiples of 1 paisa, the Indian currency. So this is what is quantum mechanics. There are many quantities which exist in certain minimum or elementary amounts or integer multiple of this minimum or elementary amount, like currency as we saw. These quantities are said to be quantized, and the minimum amount is called quantum. Plural of quantum is quanta, not quantums. Right? You understood that? Now, a quantum of light wave of frequency f has energy given by E equal to hf. Many people use nu for frequency, I'll use f. This is the energy of a quantum of light wave. H is Planck's constant. This Planck's constant value, you should remember, this is given by 6.626 into 10 to the power minus 34 joule second. This is also equal to 4.136 into 10 to the power minus 15 electron volt second. Electron volt, remember, is a unit of energy. When one electron is accelerated through a potential difference of 1 volt, the energy, the kinetic energy it gains is 1 electron volt. This 1 electron volt is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 joules. You remember this number. What is this number? Charge of electron. Okay. Now, E is equal to hf. Now you should also remember that c, the speed of light, will be equal to f lambda. So therefore, lambda is c by f and energy becomes hc by lambda. Right? Now, many times for quick calculations, we can memorize the value of h into c. This E, if it is in electron volt, it is equal to 1242 by lambda in nanometer. And that calculation is much easier than putting the value of H, then C, and then using appropriate units. So memorize this. E equal to HF, E equal to HC by lambda, and E is also equal to, in electron volt, 1242 by lambda in nanometer. Easy equations. So this is what is quantum mechanics. In quantum mechanics, we deal with things which exist in certain minimum or elementary amounts or integer multiple of that minimum or elementary amount.